Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the World shader and enabling use nodes so Blender can use the Hdri. Add an environment texture and load your Hdri image. This gives lighting and reflections. Once done, switch to rendered viewport so you see real-time effects. Make sure your camera and subject are positioned before changing strengths. That prevents surprise exposure shifts. You're already lighting the scene with the same Hdri you'll later hide. This keeps appearance consistent while preparing the removal step. Now you'll control which rays show the Hdri. Add a light path node and use as camera ray as the mix factor. Connect your environment texture to one input of a mix shader and a transparent or solid background shader to the other input. This makes the Hdri influence lighting and reflections, but not the camera view. That's why is camera ray is key. Once connected, set the transparent background for renders that need compositing, and make sure Film Transparent is enabled if you want alpha. Finish by enabling Film Transparent so final renders have an alpha background when using the transparent mix. Then test renders. Inspect reflections and indirect lighting to confirm the Hdri still provides illumination. Toggle is diffuse and is glossy in the light path setup if you need selective contributions. If you see noise or flicker, increase samples, denoise, or bake probes for Eevee. If the subject looks too dark, slightly raise the Hdri strength or add a fill light while keeping the camera view transparent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.